Many prop firm traders are blowing challenges every day. Meanwhile, my cousin and other brand new traders are passing multiple prop firm challenges through the IOTS protocol. I'm JD Hyter, Technical Analysis Strategist. I teach struggling traders how to improve performance through better chart reading. So yes, my cousin, he goes by the name of Cuzzo, all right? Cuzzo Green has passed yet another take profit trader prop firm challenge. And if you are new to prop firm trading, our prop firm of choice is Take Profit Trader. All right, I'm an affiliate, and we love them. You get daily payouts. Hey, use code 1121. All right, if you need that. But he done passed another one. All right, he got my system last month. Went through it several times. He's been using the IOTS protocol. He's passed several 50Ks. He's passed a 25K. But listen, he is currently in search of that very first payout. All right, so everybody send them prayers out to Cuzzo. He trying to slay the dragon right now. All right, he got a 25K going. He got a 50K going. This is the moment of truth for a new trader. Can you stay disciplined? Now, he still had that 50K going for a couple weeks now. If you guys, for those who are new to the channel, my cousin, I did a video. My cousin had took the course. He passed the challenge. He blew. I actually said he blew it on day one. He blew his pro account on day two, guys. So he had made it 2 days. My apologies, Cuzzo. So now he's in a situation where he's got a 25K pro. He's got a 50K pro. I know that 50K he just had like 2 weeks. So he's babying it. Okay. And this is how you do it, right? He's taking his time. He's taking his base hits. He told me today he had a base hit of 400. He called it a day, right? 400 ain't a lot with the way the market is moving, right? He's taking base hits. Said 1100 to go to slay the dragon. See, just take your time and you can get there, all right?
Take your time, what's the rush?
So now if you don't have a course, the way we help people, all right, start to change that journey, all right, is I have a free guide. It's called Finally Funded. Many people have taken it and finally started to pass their first prop firm challenge. So if you've been on that struggle bus and haven't passed your first prop firm challenge, just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm going to send you Finally Funded, the guide that is helping people get to that very first payout in many cases. Now look, before we jump into the chart lesson, and please stay and look at the chart lesson today, because the market did exactly what I said it would do in my market forecast that I sent out to my community in the Discord. And if you don't know, I do have a Discord. And so we're going to take a look at the Discord right here. Look at somebody I believe somebody took a wifey trade. We're going to look at that and then find it on the price chart, compare it to the market forecast, and just see how everything comes together when using the IOTS protocol. So let's go over to the Discord real quick, and then please stay tuned, because I'm definitely going to do a chart lesson for you guys, but we're going to combine it all. Let's check out the Discord real quick. Okay. So here's my call. Bias is short. KP high 66.5950, KP low 66.3750. Prices were under both KP levels overnight, so the bias is very much short. I see a leg down and a trend break. We have been seeing very clear 2-leg corrections this week. Prices could retrace back around 66.37 before we get the second leg down. Look for price action entries off or around the 21 EMA with trend, with a good signal candle, all right? And then I show the Discord, the community, here's the trend, here's the break, right? The market moves in twos. You're gonna get a trend down, trend break, retest to new low. So everybody who trades the IOTS protocol, we're expecting that second leg. Let's look at the market and see what happens. All right, guys, it was so nice today. I had to come outside and shoot the rest of this, get some of this good weather. Okay, so check it out. Here's the day, all right? Here's my call. Now, let's back it up. We told everybody in the community to go short. Take what? Price action setups off or around the 21 EMA. So here it is. Here we had this trend down. We gave this trend break. All right. And so your first good setup is actually right here, because you get the high push down, lower high right here. But this one here, again, this is the first trend break, so you want to be careful. You may go here and lose right here. The better entry is after you see it make a first attempt, second attempt. This third attempt to go higher here that can't do it, and then you get another high. Hold on, let me get my tool up. All right, so it's right here. Once you get this high, came back, lower high. Can I get a signal candle? Yes, we can, right here. You get this signal candle right here. Some also will see this is wifey trade, red, green, red. It's very close, very close. That's your first drop of the day. I mean, if you catch that at what, 58, 65, 88, I mean, that thing ran down to, that's a quick 10 or better, right? Just to start the day, just to get the morning started, okay? Now, after we push down, remember in the call I said, chances are we've been seeing very large retracements back to just very large retracements in general. So it was a very good chance that I say we pull back around our key entry point low. I think it was 66.33 or something like that. Yeah, that's it. I think it's 66.33. Take that off for a second so I can work. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, it's about 66.33. 66.33. That's our key entry point low. So I said it's a very good chance that prices make two legs back up to that, right? So let's just follow price action. That's how we'll do this chart lesson today. Let's just keep following the price action. But first, let me just show how, those who are in the Discord, how they benefit from this information. Because let me go back to Discord and see how people did just at this point, already in the morning. It's still, the market ain't even open yet. It's like 8:11 at this point. Let me get the chart back up. All right, guys. So this is the Discord, right? After I dropped here we go. Saw the wifey setup. Bam, they done for the day. Same trade I just pointed out, right? Same exact trade. So it's not just me. When you get the market forecast and you have the bias ahead of time, and I say wait for price action entries off the 21 EMA, whoever took that trade, excellent execution of the IOTS protocol. All right. Got another one. Let's see. Another wifey, 21 EMA, below the KEP low. At the 0.56 when they retracement, they talking Fibonacci sweet spot language. Thanks again, JD. Hey, my pleasure, as always. But another wifey trade, my signature. Boom. That was I don't know how much they bagged on that one, but that was a lot of points there, right? And yeah, then another second one. Getting in here late, first trade, second trade, wifey. Caught the range, but here's another red, green, red wifey setup, or here, red, green, red off of there. He entered right. Oh, awesome. Another great IOTS protocol trade and delivery. So, hey, the crew was rocking today. We were doing our thing, taking some good wifey trade. It was wifey day in the marketplace, and the IOTS protocol allowed us to take advantage of that, all right? So let's go back and continue look at the market, see how the rest of the day played out. Okay, now remember, at this point, we've had a trend down, trend break, and another little drop. We would expect a real retracement now. Two legs back up. That's just regular market cycle. Regular market. Up there it is right there. Boom. It's off like a rocket right there. Now, for those of you who are new to price action, this flavor of it anyway, this is what I call a rally-based rally. All right. When you get this row of greens right here, especially at 3-4 in a row, and it's breaking higher too than previous highs, like it did right there, and you get one little bitty red candle. Normally I like the very next one to be green, but this is okay. You get that green up and it goes higher than everything to the left, go right there. Go right there. Enough said. That is a rally-based rally. It happens a lot of time at the beginning of a very strong trend or at the end of a very strong trend. So you got to know what's happening, know where you are in the market cycle. This one here is happening at the beginning of a retracement. Oh, yeah. I would expect this one to shoot on up. Let's see what it does. Well, hold on. Let me squeeze it down so we can really see. It made the attempt. It made the attempt back up there. Now, it did not reach 66.33 again, but it did get to, let's call it 66.24. All right, so we missed it by 11 points, right? But remember, you were expecting prices to come up here. That's just what you expect as a protocol trader. Now, check this out. What next? I kind of already showed it to you, but after you got that trend down, trend break, you expect to retest it to new low. Yes, you do. But the thing about it is, it doesn't always happen right away. Many times the market will play around a little bit before it drops. So what happens is it will go into a range, okay, to trap and destroy all the traders who don't know how to, read a price chart. After it gets through destroying everybody, then, chase back and be like, all right, let's go and get this money. And you'll usually get a second leg, and then we roll with Chase and grab that second leg. So check it out. After we get the two legs up, we should be in a range. And it's right here. Let me draw it up for you in case you cannot see it. I don't have my tool right now, and I don't feel like I want to look for it. We gonna improvise here with some horizontal lines. I'm gonna drop one there. Bang, and improvise. And I'm gonna drop one here. Bang, there's your range. Can you see it? Whenever the 21 EMA is looking like a roller coaster, you are in a range, my friend. Range rules apply. That means we're going to wait for we're only going to take trades off the extremes, and we're looking for a really good breakout pullback. It should be a good trade. In this case, since the bias is short, we're looking for a breakout pullback short to the downside. And if it was to come, we would take it without question because it's just an IOTS protocol trade that we see in the marketplace all day, every day, because we know how to identify key entry points. And so when we see them and we get a breakout, we knew that breakout was coming. So let's see if we get a breakout. We're clearing the range, and bang. All right, let's make this bigger, folks. We could teach a little bit today. Okay, so swell this up, stretch this out. The breakout happened at about 10:53. Here it is right here. Let me mark it up for you. This is a clear breakout. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. Clear breakout. This would have been the breakout level. We're clearly broken out. The breakout pullback setup is you wait for the breakout. You see the breakout. Let me rephrase that. You see the breakout. You wait for it to pull back to your breakout area, which would be this level right here. Once you see that rejection, that it can't move back into that zone, you will look for a good signal candle short. Can we get a good signal candle? Yes, we can. It's right here, this little falling hammer right there. Once you get a good signal candle, now you know the chances are the breakout is going to continue. Now it is safe to enter the market, enter the trade at that price point. And if you do on this one, let's say you enter the market around 6,600, then you're going to fall down to about 6681. That's a nice point drop. Hey, awesome breakout trade right there. Awesome breakout trade. And then look, we pull back up though, so let's see what else happened after that. After that, it comes back up, and then we range in a little bit. Let's go out. How far have we fallen from that initial drop? All right, there's our key entry level. We definitely went short today. All right, this is key entry level that we had. The bias was short, so the call was on spot on from the market forecast today. But now let's get some targets. Let me show you how to set up a target from this point. So we had that first leg down from overnight. So all you got to do is take this leg here, and you measure it from like here, right? And so our target is right here, 65.60. I would expect the price has made it to 65.60 at some point today because the market moves in twos. That was leg one I had drawn in the market forecast. We pulled up 2 legs. Now we get another leg down. So the target should be 65.60, right? And so, we got it on that. Wait a minute. Oh, this is the breakout. Oh, when we pull back up, and then boom. Boom. Oh, we got it all right. We got it and more. That's the IOTS protocol. Let's just say you get in when we go on this breakout and hold. So you got in at 6,600. You wrote it down to 65.40. So that is how we go end the week this week with a 60-point drop from our market forecast. Check it out. So the IOTS protocol, it's something special. It's something special. Right now, we do have the March Madness sale still going on. So the whole system is 75% off. And if you take the 75% off deal, you can join the Discord for free until we crown a champion, which will be Michigan. All right. I believe April 6th. So take advantage while it's still here. And if you need help to pass that prop firm challenge, you've never slain the dragon, you've never gotten your certificate. I have a free guide that is very helpful and it's free. Just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you finally funded. All right. So I hope you all had a blessed trading week. All right. We're gonna come back and do this again next week. Tune back in Monday. If you missed any of the videos this week, catch back up right here. All right. There was a lot of valuable technical analysis, price action learning that took place this week. Thank you for the volatile markets. There was a lot to learn. All right. So until next time, everybody be blessed. My name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.